morning, everyone. This is Luke Robinson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, with your winter planning briefing for January 16th. To start off, I was going to show the weather threat matrix for the rest of the week going into the weekend. We do have north central Idaho as a moderate impact for snow starting this evening and going through the overnight hours, and then for the rest of western Montana and Lowell County is a low impact with light accumulating snow. Now, some isolated areas could see a low to moderate impact where we have the yellow shading, but it all depends on where some of the heavier snow showers develops along the front that moves through overnight tonight. Going into Friday, we are expecting scattered showers to continue throughout the day, but as we move through the day into the evening hours, we'll see those snow showers diminishing. And then for northwest Montana and north central Idaho over the weekend, we are expecting mountain showers to continue. We could see some snow making it down to the valleys across northwest Montana, but we're not expecting a whole lot of accumulation out of it. This is the expected snowfall that we're expecting overnight tonight across the region. Like I was mentioning, north central Idaho, we'll see the higher accumulations, and then going into western Montana and southwest Montana, you could see slightly higher amounts than this, or you could see lower amounts. It all depends on where the heavier showers develop along the front as it moves through tonight. This is the timing for the snow accumulations and the temperatures that we're expecting for LookoutPass for the next few days. As you can see, we'll start to see the snow increasing this evening and overnight, and then we'll have a little bit more expected over the weekend. Pretty much the same story expected for LookoutPass, except overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning, we are expecting maybe a little bit more than what LookoutPass may see. Lowell, for one of the lower elevations in north central Idaho, we are expecting 2 to 4 inches of snow in this region, again starting this evening and going through tomorrow morning. In Grangeville, pretty much the same story, except this region could see a little bit more snow as the overall weather pattern is more favorable for the Grangeville area to see up to 5 inches of snow. Kalispell, we are expecting a lot less snow in this area, but we could see just enough to create slick conditions for the Friday morning commute. And then Missoula, like I was saying in the previous snow total slide, snow could be a little bit more than this, and it could also be a little bit less. This is more of a middle of the road forecast for this area. It all depends again on where those heavier showers develops along the front as it moves through the area. So to sum everything up, widespread moderate snow is expected this evening and overnight for north central Idaho. Short bursts of light to moderate snow in west central Montana early tomorrow morning with the front. And then the frontal passage may impact travel for the morning commute in southwest Montana, as when the front is moving through, it is expected to be coming through right about the peak time for the morning commute Friday morning. And then mountain valley snow showers over the weekend for northwest Montana with minimal impacts. This is our 6 to 10 day outlook for precipitation at normal levels. And then for the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we are expecting possibly slightly above normal, but this will be mainly for the terrain, as we are expecting a ridge of high pressure to build over the entire Northern Rockies toward the end of the weekend, going into the first few days of next week. And depending on how strong the ridge becomes, and if we get some clearing overnight, we'll start to see those valley inversions developing. So some of the valleys across western Montana and north central Idaho could actually be slightly below normal. And again, with the weather threat matrix, moderate impacts this evening for north central Idaho, and then low impacts expected for the rest of the region. And again, some isolated areas could see moderate impacts depending on where those showers develop. That concludes the briefing. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 406-329-4840. Thank you and have a good day.